32 minutes. Oh crap, it's recording.
What?
It's recording.
I don't look like proof.
Okay, wait. We're gonna wait until someone comes out. That's what I did too. Where are you going? Smells like pee.
I know.
Ew. I hear people. I'm gonna set it down like that.
You can't see it. Can you see me?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna act like I'm doing something on this. What?
What'd you say?
What? Oh crap. Look. Behind. Okay. You're better.
No one comes down here.
Grrr. Chilling in their cave.
Come on, my nails up.
Can I be Batman?
I guess I can be Robin.
Sweet. My trusty sidekick?
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
I was just gonna say that. I said that to Megan on the way to your house.
Look at my food. Right there. Can't see it. There.
What purse are you getting?
The same as Megan's except green. No one's come down yet. It's, stuff for piercings. Keep it in there because then I don't lose it. Wait, I want to get something.
You're getting a condoms on tape?
Yep, right there.
At least they're not the flavored ones.
Vibra ribbed. Does that mean they vibrate?
That'd be really funny.
It would.
It's
My purse right there. What?
Very cautious, are you?
Yes. Open door, right. Look, you can see the camera.
Here you living the great idea.
That's because that was my last
You're
one.
coming back next year, right?
Yep. I don't see anybody.
I don't know. Maybe you should just turn off the video.
No, I'm waiting.
As soon as you do, I bet someone comes down too.
No, that's why I'm waiting. We got 29 minutes left. Less than 29 minutes.
Sprinkler control.
Oh.
No, see it? It's on the door.
Oh. I hear people. I waved. My hair looks bad.
Mine does.
Yeah, but see, that's cute with this. I can't see. You don't have Sharpie in there, right?
Yeah, but...
My pant. That's my crotch right there.
I'll find it. Found it.
Okay.
Wow. Pretty spiffy heart. Kind of looks like Pikachu.
I'm gonna turn it off, okay? Wave.